Cardano failed to break above a major resistance level. And if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Now, currently on Cardano, we did see quite a large move this morning, but we failed to break above that 46-cent mark. In yesterday's video, I mentioned that we would possibly be looking at a V formation, but I wanted to see a break above on that 46-cent mark and a continuation pattern. We didn't quite get that on Cardano. We actually saw a break above and fail and right back down to breaking the exponential moving averages. And now it looks like there is a higher chance of a probability of this 44-cent mark level breaking, right? We can see that we have consolidated in this level for quite some time now, but we have had multiple failures of breaking that resistance to that 46 cents. We did see quite a large move on Bitcoin this morning, obviously, but it looks like the altcoins are still lagging behind. Now, there are two possible situations that can happen. Number one, there is some sort of support here at the 44.9 cents, so we could possibly be looking at another pullback and then a continuation to the upside. If we do break this support level and close below it, the chances of us breaking that 44-cent mark would be almost pretty much perfect, right? We can see that we've tested this level 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So on the 5th test, I would imagine we would break that level, but we want to see a break below, right? We don't want to see a wick. We don't want to see a, bounce off support. Ideally, what we're looking for is something like this where we actually get a break below and a confirmation candle. So the price comes down, breaks below. We see a retest and a possible dump from there, or we see a retest, reject, and then a continuation, right? That's ideally what we're looking for on Cardano. Now, on the bullish side of things, obviously, if we can get above that 46-cent mark, ideally, we would like to find a support level and then a continuation up to hit that 49-cent mark. We can see that we didn't quite hit that level, right? We didn't quite hit that resistance level. Over here, we got close to it, but we saw the failure of the candlestick and a continuation to the downside. I would like to see that level actually get tested and then a rejection point for Cardano. And you can see over here we got again a massive fake out and a continuation pattern down, so you want to be careful about entering any sort of long positions until you have that confirmation. On the lower time frames, though, for Cardano, you can see that we are in a little bit of a more bearish situation, right? We had a sort of a V pattern on this candlestick. We saw that beautiful rejection on the 46-cent mark, a clean confirmation candlestick. We didn't get something like this, right, where we had this little V pattern and we had some choppy movements and then a move down. This was a clean move to the downside. We hit that resistance perfectly and a continuation right back down. And on the 1 hour time frames, it looks like we will probably be testing that bottom of that 44-cent mark once more. Again, we still have support here on the lower time frames. You can see it more accurately now, right? Over here, you can see that the levels I'm talking about is right here. We can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wicks over here. That is a level that I'm currently looking for on Cardano, right? Let me just clean up my charts here a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. But that's ideally what I'm looking for on Cardano, is a bounce of this support, currently what we're testing right now. Oh, and there it goes, right? You guys just saw that live. We actually just saw that. And again, on Cardano, you want to be looking for that bounce off support. So we have currently tested that support level. Now it looks like we are breaking that wick down, right? We want to see a wick right here, but it doesn't look like we're going to see that. We might actually just get a move straight to the downside and just like that, right? Just like that's what I'm talking about. You want to be looking for a potential wick, but again, it looks like we have broke that wick level, and now we are currently going to be closing below the 44-cent mark. If not, we might see a possible rebound, but this is a very bearish pattern on Cardano being formed. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.